Marc-Elian from SixSq. Today in this short video I'm going to show you how easy it is to deploy an application using SlipStream in one click on the cloud of your choice. Okay, so first thing first, we need a SlipStream instance. So for this we will use the SaaS that is managed by SixSq. To find it, we can go to the website of SixSq and click on the Try Me in the SlipStream tile. That's going to bring us to the SaaS. Now we'll assume here that we have a configured account. If it's not the case, then there will be videos to show you how to do that. So username and password, and then we can log into SlipStream. Okay, so by default it brings us to the App Store part of the application, from which we can see predefined applications that have been published to SlipStream. In this case, we will focus on WordPress, which is a single application, but you also have a different set of base images like Windows, Ubuntu, CentOS, or other applications, as in this case, WordPress and others. So we'll just click on the free button there. It brings us to the WordPress page, and from here we'll be able to configure a few things. The first thing is multiplicity. So that means how many virtual machines or instances of that application we want to have. The second is important, is the choice of target cloud. So in this case we'll choose Exoscale, which is a great cloud hosted in Switzerland. But the SaaS is also configured for Amazon EC2. But we'll leave the default on Exoscale. In the case of the WordPress, there's a couple of parameters to configure. One is the email address and for the administrator account, and the second is the title of the WordPress we want to instantiate. So the title of our blog that SlipStream will deploy for us. So we're configuring those things, and that's it. And then we can basically click on the Run button. Now SlipStream is going to go away and then start its provisioning process. It will go through a set of states that will include so starting the virtual machine in the cloud of our choice, running some installation and configuration scripts that are part of the recipe, and so on. Okay, so I'll let SlipStream do its work. I'll fast forward the video and then go to the end when we're in the ready state. Ready state, which means it's fully deployed and available, and we can see this also through this icon that just appeared, which means it's a link that will bring us to the application itself. So let's click on that, and then it shows the WordPress as SlipStream deployed it for us, with the title we gave it, and so on. It's fully available now to play with. So that's it. It's as easy as that. There's a few more parameters that can be used and retrieved in the application once it's deployed, including passwords that have been machine generated for the different accounts, so that maintenance can be performed on the application, and so on. Okay, but let's not go into those details just now. So once the application is deployed, what we can do is, once we're done with it, simply terminate the application. So SlipStream will release the virtual machine, and therefore will stop incurring any costs related to this application running. So it's finalizing the deployment and releasing the machines. That's it. So hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and give us feedback, and enjoy using SlipStream. Thank you. Bye-bye.